Hi there, this is Darren O'Neill from Darren's Tech Tutorials and darrenO'Neill.eu. In this very short video, I'm going to show you how to install VLC on Windows 10. Okay, so I have a browser open here, and I'm just going to navigate to VLC in Google. I want to click on the official VLC site, and I'm going to click to download VLC here. Okay, so it should begin to download now shortly, and if it doesn't, you can just click here to begin your download. But we can see it's begun here for me. So the download should only take a couple of seconds, so I'll let it finish here now. And I'm going to click, and I'm going to click open to begin the installation process. So let me just pull this over so you can see it. I'm going to click English, and I'm going to click next. I'm going to click next, and I'm going to click next, and I'm going to click install. And this will begin to install VLC. Okay, so this is looking good. I'm going to leave the tick to say run VLC, and I'll click finish. And I'm going to click continue here. And then I'll pull this across so you can see. So I've now installed VLC on Windows 10. If you had any issues following along, please do comment below, and thank you for watching.